For all the Shenseea fans out there, it's Shenyeng week, right? And also Nikki Chromazz get proposed to by our Spoogie. So stick around, full breakdown of these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic.
Yes, I want to big up the Shenyeng them, the Shenseea fan them, right? So this morning I set up a poll in the community section and I asked to see whose fans are really watching Dancehall IG the most are, you know what I mean? At least I could see the poll. And so far, I Shenyeng them a lead. So it was between Shenyeng, Spice, and Jada Kingdom. So I'm not going to tell you exactly what I go on with the poll and I have to go to the community section for see it, right? And it either got change. If I do tell you what I go on now, it got change. So big up Shenseea fan them because that them a lead right now. For my channel at least. You see what I say? So I'm going to say a Shenyeng week because we know say Shenyeng birthday come up. Shenseea birthday is coming up. Or 24 birthday is coming up. So I'm going to tell you more upon that. I'm going to tell you why me say a Shenyeng week and me I do this for the Shenseea fan them will watch my channel. So with that being said, if you are a Spice or Jada fan or even a Shenseea fan and you haven't took, you know what I mean, participate in the poll yet and you want to, you know what I mean, just head over to the community section and Dancehall IG here on YouTube though. You see what I say for the other platform they want to know what I talk about. This is on YouTube, right? So when I just go to the community section and vote. I know enough of you have two artists. Now one might like Spice and Jada, one might like Shenseea and Jada, but you have to pick one. So it comes down to who you really like, right? So me I tell you, I go tell you more upon Shenyeng week. But first, let's take a look at Nikki Chromazz proposal, right? So Nikki Chromazz means a lot to me when I talk as Dancehall IG because I started off posting Nikki Chromazz and that's how we work people. You see what I say when the rules are different and thing, you know what I mean? I just bear Nikki Chromazz me used to post. That's how my channel even end up being a female-based channel. You know what I mean? That's how so much females start watching Dancehall IG because me used to post Nikki and some other females. You see me? So it's only right that me shout her out. You know, she got her boyfriend proposed to her yesterday. So I'm going to show you the proposal and you know what I mean? I'm just happy for Nikki, you know what I mean? Nikki a hustler. And she do her thing, she deserve it. You see me I say? So I have the video for sure, no? Hopefully some people still there will subscribe to me for Nikki Chromazz to take a look at this right now. Here goes.
Oh, yes, baby. Set me up. You guys are set me up.
Yes, yes. Congrats.
What Thank you, baby.
Congrats.
Yeah, man, so congratulations to Nikki Chromazz and her husband to be. I don't know him name, you see what I say. But big them up, you see me I say. So when you see Nikki excited, and any girl that are excited because, you know what I mean, proposal is a big step, next step into life. You know, that means something that show you your worth. The man rate you and him love you bad, so him propose to you because him want you for the rest of him life. You see me? So big up the girl them out there when you say, yeah, man I get down on one knee and propose. Oh, me so like a selector, so. But big up the Nikki Chromazz, you see what I say? But anyway, with that, it sound like, with the caption where she put up, it sound like, say, they plan a whole thing for before this moment. Because in the caption she say, Spanish court hotel staff, y'all prank me. I love you, my baby. You have changed my life without even trying, and I don't think I could ever tell you how much you mean to me. I choose you 100 times. Happy soon to be wife over here, Miss Fiercey. So, okay, so Fiercey I'm last name, so it's gonna be Nikki Fiercey. I don't know if that's her name still, but You see me, I say it's Mr. and Mrs. Facey. So big up Mr. and Mrs. Facey to be, soon to be. You see what I say? When I send peace, I wouldn't care for Dancehall IG. Big up on yourself. You see me? So people, let's talk about Shenseea again now. So may I tell you why I declare it Shenyeng week, right? When you know say Shenseea been through a lot this year, you see me? And, you know, just, me not really want to bring up about the bad things then, but it's just obvious and it happened already and we know about it. You see what I say? You know, the passing of her mother, that was very devastating for her and her family, you know, and even extended to the fans and even people where are not really like fans, but we just know Shenseea. It's sad all around. You see what I say? You no matter who you be and you hear Shenseea mother pass away, it touch you. You see me? And we see the outpour of the support online towards her, you know, our fans them did FR, our team did FR, and whole heap of people did FR. You see me? And then, you know, she meet in a little accident after that. Now, thank God, not never really happened in the accident and thing, but it's been a rough year for her when you know what I mean, in that sense. She got a couple songs well this year though, you know what I mean? So musically, she did well, you know, whole heap of song release. May I say one thing with them, I say she released whole heap of song this year. And when we check back the song title them, a whole heap of song for real, you know what I mean? The Shenyeng them know. So when you just drop in the comment section and tell me your favorite song. Oh, as a matter of fact, the other day I put in the community section, because I found this post where I asked when you hear the name Shenseea, what song comes to mind, and when you pour out, I like how you go on with that post. You see what I say? When you call all of the song them name. Some song when I never did a member, you see what I say? So Shenseea fan them love her, and when you love the song them, when you know the song them. So we just want to support Shenseea, you know what I mean? They want to help the Shenyeng them support Shenseea, and you know, she a countdown to her birthday. It's going to be her 24th birthday again in 7 days. So October 1st, her birthday. Last year now, you know, I don't know, I did make a video last year, but it was very short. It was like 4 minutes and Ramesh take her out and thing. And, you know, them just had a easy going. They never really post a lot of what them do. So this year now, even if then the plan, we don't know what we're going with the pandemic thing, you know what I mean? So the best we can do is celebrate online and big her up, you know what I mean? Every day until our birthday, we are shout her out. And then when our birthday, it's I nearly say when I want a birthday, because Shenyeng them birthday too. So when our birthday, we are gonna make a video and big her up, said we too. And if she posts and shows what she do, you know what I mean, we are gonna make a video and talk about it. So up until then, today is officially the start of Shenyeng week, right? So all of Shenseea fan them, wanna big up on yourself. All of the Shenyeng them, wanna drop in the comment section. You see what I say? And when you tell me your favorite Shenseea song, wanna just, you know, join in for the Shenyeng week. Cause if we don't keep it going, you know what I mean? And we say seriously Shenyeng week, we can do it all the way to the 7 days for forward, right? But if we not left my eye and dry like this, and you know what I mean, and me alone I celebrate Shenyeng week, well, we just have to wait till our birthday. But I have faith in the Shenyeng them, I have faith in how you big up on yourself. So that brings us to the end of today's video, people, you know what I mean? Just a quick, easy one. We just talk about Shenseea. We don't really, you know what I mean, overdo it like popcorn. I mean, I showing this to Nikki Chromazz, you know what I mean, her boyfriend proposed to her, get down on one knee and all. You see me, I say, good girls deserve good things. You see me? So big up the ladies, them where you know them man, rate them and love them. You see me? Because if you don't love him and rate him and show him good, you get the proposal and you get what you deserve. You see me? What you put in is what you get out. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and thank you for keep on watching. Right? So big up everybody. Have a wonderful day.